So we are back with another video. We have stuff to show you guys. We're gonna be installing the banner on that car, which is the 91 Miata. As you guys saw in the other video, it was all beat up and ugly and stuff like that. And we did get a shipment. But before that, we got a new camera. We got mics. Hopefully you guys could hear us the whole time now.
They can't hear me no more.
They probably can because you're yelling.
Far away.
Far away, yeah.
We're
gonna give you a mic though soon. With the cameras and stuff like that, we're still gonna buy accessories. And what should we do first?
I mean, we got our food, so unbox.
Unbox? All right, cool. I'm gonna go get the stuff right now. Hold on. All right, so now we pull the box out. So I'll show you guys. I had already unboxed these already. These are the flares. Got brand new flares again. So the reason why I already unboxed these already is because this is the third time unboxing flares. Cause yeah, shit just happens. And
slap it again.
Oh. So yeah, this is the third pair already. So clinch, maybe a sponsorship. I keep destroying these things. Yeah. And Clinch, by the way, shout out to Clinch. They did feature us on their story, and they do want quality pictures to give us a little exposure on their site as well. Now that we got the right equipment, hey, professional pictures coming soon. Yeah. So with the other set of flares, here we'll show you. Even though we showed them on the last video how we destroyed them. When I order these flares, they do come in like gliders, sliders. I'm probably completely giving you guys the wrong info right now. I just gotta look at their info because they have so many options. But as you can tell, these are a little bit more slick down rather than the back ones right here, which they come out a little bit more and then they go down. And I like this little lip. Yeah, my tire does rub, so that's what it is. Completely different. They are new school, both of them. They are considered the new school flares that they offer, but they're a little bit different. And that was my mistake when I ordered them, and I wasn't completely happy when I installed the front ones anyways, so kind of glad they did get damaged. We did show you guys last video, it cracked right here, and then I don't know what that is. My tire is rubbing or something. So it did break off, so I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. Like I said, this is my third set of Clinch flares. I'm not saying they're bad quality because they're really good quality. It's just it's all my fault. I think I like to destroy things. But anyways, like I said, I did explain to you guys that Mustang, I do want to beat it up and take it to the track, drift it, crash it, build it up again, do all that stuff, which it is the third time building that Mustang again. So
hey, third time?
Third time.
Isn't that your third pair?
And third pair of flares, exactly. First accident. No, this is my fourth pair. First accident, they got messed up. Second accident, they got messed up. Oh, and then this part they got messed up. Wait, one. Oh yeah, one. This is already the okay. This wasn't an accident actually. Well, it was, but it wasn't like a car crash or anything. So yeah, it is three. My bad, it is three. So here goes the flares ones that I have. And they did take a long time to come due to the protest and then the shipping and then all that stuff. I had to schedule an appointment. Same thing with this one actually. First of all, it was hard to find the Roush bumper. Show, come here. Wait, it does come straight from Roush, like my whole kit that I have. It does come straight from Roush. They ship it out. I had to schedule an appointment too because all these riots and stuff that's happening right now, it's just real out there. That I was just thankful that the truck the FedEx truck, this one came in, didn't get broken into and all that stuff. You know how it's happening right now. But yeah, I haven't opened this. I'm super excited to open it. The last bumper I had, it was all beat up like you guys saw. It survived 2 accidents. So yeah, I don't even know how I ordered this one, or because everything was back ordered, so I don't know if it comes with the fog lights or all the accessories, and it doesn't. It's just the bumper itself, which kind of sucks because, man, this sucks. Because when I totaled the other one, I threw the fog lights away. Damn. Yeah, that sucks.
You got it from Roush too, though?
Yeah. Well, I bought the other kit. It was used.
That's what I was about to say.
And this one is brand new. It's scratched up and stuff. But yeah, that sucks though. We don't have fog lights. And my other fog lights from the other bumper, I kind of threw them away. But we got a bumper now. Oh, it doesn't even have this either. I think I have one from the old bumper over there. We'll have to put it together and stuff. But yeah, this is exciting actually. Let's go dry fit it right now. It has a little hole right here, but I don't know if you want to see it the whole time. How does the car look though?
Oh crap.
But anyways, that's a little rough draft. What do you think?
It looks pretty cool. Nah, never mind. Yeah, it needs a splitter. It looks too high up. No.
Remember how the other bumper was like, what?
The other bumper.
But remember how it was all like, well, it was beat up from right here, and it was super saggy. It was like sagging right here. This whole section was completely gone. So it was like sagging all the way down here, but now that we have it complete. As far as this bumper, I am gonna bolt it on like how it's supposed to be. No more quick releases. I don't trust them. And this bumper is a little too pricey
To buy another one.
to buy another one, yeah. But I like it. I like it a lot.
No wonder I couldn't do it. Could it go to this? It doesn't go to this side.
What do you think? What do you think? We are gonna put I am gonna order them actually, probably tomorrow. The canards. These things. I think I just take them off from this one and then put them on the new bumper. At one point I was running the Cobra R bumper. I think I told them that already, but
No.
not anymore. It's sitting way too low. From the front it's like way too low, and then the side skirts, like I didn't like the whole thing. But yeah, my pops came in with some food, so we're about to eat right now. We'll come back and install the banner on that one, and that should conclude the video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So, you know what? Just keep the clip in. If it's silent, it's silent. Obviously, if it's silent, it's silent, right? So just keep the clip in. But we think since he didn't turn on the receiver on his end for the mic, is it even plugged in all the way?
What's the point of plugging it in here?
There. But he's over here yelling at me to turn on my mic. My mic is on. His receiver was off over there. But we were explaining that we just had lunch right now. I had some tacos. He had some some McDonald's.
See.
We came back. We're gonna go ahead and install the banner on this one. I do have letters coming in. It is gonna be Japanese. What?
Look how dirty it was.
Oh yeah. It is gonna be Japanese writing. I forgot if it's gonna say Miata or Mazda, but it's gonna say it in Japanese. The background is gonna be matte black, and the letters are gonna be gloss black. I like the little camo effect that it has like that. So yeah, this install super easy. What was it, like 10 minutes? 10 minutes or so to do. Like I said, I did have leftover wrap. It is a full-on wrap. They do sell these in banner forms too and stuff like that. Why are you looking at me through there?
It looks better.
They do sell them in just regular banners where it's a little bit easier, less cutting you got to do, but whatever. I had it left over and I wrapped a couple cars, so I know what I'm doing. Wink, wink. I know what I'm doing. Not really, but we'll pretend like we know what we're doing. Yeah, just gotta cut up this last trim. And hopefully we don't have any gap issues once I'm done cutting, because I tend to do that a lot. And BAM! Boom! Okay, that was a fail. And we are done with it. Like I said, this is just the top layer. I am gonna add some something else on top of it, just so it could shine a little bit. I always tend to leave a mess after I'm done working. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but you think a job's gonna be easy and messy. Hold on, let me just stop this right here.
That's what we used to record it.
Oh yeah, this was our. Hold on. This used to be our daily camera before. All the other videos are in that. Now we have that, and now we have something else too. So it's just about us not being lazy, and we should create a lot of content. I'm just tucking everything in.
Tucking in you.
Whoa, that doesn't even make sense, bro. Get out of here.
It doesn't make sense.
Okay, it makes sense. I get it. I don't need a visual picture. Physical picture. Physical picture. Go ahead and add a banner on this one. We'll show you guys once we finish. Get it up on this side. 1, 2, 4. Yeah. Fuck, it's a lot lower on that side. It's a lot lower on that side than this side. Oh well, just gonna leave it.
Oh, the bra. Why are you measuring it?
Oh, we were gonna end the video, but we have wrap left over, and we're actually gonna include a banner on this new one too. That's gonna be the first mod actually of this car. completely stock. Well, other than the wheels, but whatever. Those wheels are like whatever.
Making it a rally car.
First, because it's super tough. First mod on this one, we're gonna add a banner on it. Well, at least hopefully it works, because I don't know if it's gonna work. Alright, so right now we're just gonna heat gun it. I thought I could get away without actually using the heat gun, but we're definitely gonna use the heat gun. Because in some parts it is kind of lifting. And we kind of just wanna post heat it, that way it doesn't lift up. Yep, there we go. Got a little bit more left, so just in case we do mess up. If you guys would be able to see Luis's nips right now,
Oh, they're hard. I'm cold.
he would be poking you guys' eye through the screen right now.
You didn't like how this looked. We're doing the
Alright.
whole thing.
So just like that. I almost broke my microphone.
Oh, hell no. We barely use those.
Just like that, we just finished both of the banners already. Well, I don't know about we just finished, but I just finished.
I
just finished both of the banners already. So yeah, now we have a banner on this one, which I guess we could consider it the first mod on this car right here. And now we have we replaced the banner on this one right here too. Has a little bit more details just to get it up to date, but like I said, we're gonna be working on them. Working on both of them, working on all of them. Mustang getting it up and running again. But yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and just follow our journey. So yeah, catch you guys next video.